Hello, lovelies. So, y'all, I finally got a printer. I ordered it a week or so ago, and I got it today. So I'm gonna show y'all the printer. Okay, this is the printer that I got. It's the Canon. I forgot what the name of it is called, but this is the one I got. Oh, Pixma TS302. I didn't open it yet. I just, for some reason, I want to show y'all the box. On the back, it just it's showing how you can connect it to your phone to print. Let's see. That's a bunch of stuff that I made, crochet and knit stuff. Goodness. Let's just. I don't know why I was trying to not use the scissors. Maybe I just thought. Who knows? Ow. Oh, it's a nice manual. I should have had some essential oils mixed so that I could spray this with it without having to. Let me get some oils. Oh, I didn't want it to do that. Just wanted a little mist. I mean, it's getting sprayed before it goes on my bed. Oh, I got it wet up. It'll dry. All right, let's see if I'm going to be able to pull this out. What's that? Power cord. Yep. It's a power cord. Where did this stuff come from? Oh, it was like that. Hey, person who is home. Let's go ahead and spray that. Okay, the ink is also in that box with the power cord. It's on the sides. I decided got the black and then the color. I don't think I'm gonna be able to take this out with this phone in my hand. So I'll just show it to you after I get it out. Alright. Here it is. Alright, so let's see. I'll just turn the flash back on. Turn this lamp off. I think that should be okay. So look at all this stuff that comes in it. So let's just see. And then I have to wipe this off. Oh, it's a CD-ROM. I hope I don't have to have a computer to. I hope I don't have to use this to set it up. Oh my gosh. Okay, so yeah, they give you these photo paper. They're glossy, and it comes with three of those. Sorry, I'm so close to that. I have the flash on my phone because okay, so I do not have the flash on anymore. Let me see. You know what? I might have to get my ring light. Alright. So I got my ring light on. I just feel like it's not bright enough. Y'all like that? I don't know if it looks any better, but this is what's happening because my phone keeps thinking that it's gonna overheat. So I just want to show y'all this printer. My gosh. I just want to show y'all this dang old printer. Like, I don't know why everything's trying to make this so difficult. Alright, we're gonna do it like this. And whatever happens, happens. Okay, so this CD-ROM, setup CD-ROM. I really hope I don't need that. If I do, I cannot use this. This is safety and important information. This is different languages. This is warranty. How long is the warranty? Alright, so here's this here. Alright, hold on. Okay, so nowhere in this instruction does it say I need this CD-ROM. So I'm not gonna worry about it. I guess that's what this is here. It says explanatory movies, and it's telling you how to, it's showing a laptop computer here. I'm not going to worry about it. So stand the printer on its back and remove the orange tape stuck to the bottom of it. Return the printer to the original position. Remove the packing material such as orange tape from outside of the printer. Open the cover. Remove the orange tape and the protective material and discard them both. Close the cover. Connect the power cord. Do not connect any cables except the power cord yet. Press the on stop button. The on lamp lights. If the alarm lamp flashes 9 times at a time, press the on stop button to turn off the power, and then try again from step 3 of chapter 2. Remove tape and turn on. If the alarm lamp flashes 4 times at a time, proceed to the next step as it is. Okay. So, go ahead and wipe everybody out, because y'all know me. And there's essential oils on this. So here's some orange tape. Y'all know I'm gonna keep this bag. People orders gonna show up in this in the same plastic. I don't think y'all can see that good. This seems like one of the things they'll tell you, don't put water on it. Well, guess what? Orange tape. Orange tape. Watch me. How am I gonna get this off of here? Y'all ain't even tell me how to open that yet. How am I supposed to get that one off? Oh. Okay. This part came off. That's supposed to come off too. Y'all ain't saying nothing about that. I don't think that was supposed to come out with it. I think because that gray part there almost came off. And I'm sure it was not supposed to. Now, where was this? Alright, so it was there. Alright, great. Not good. So, Oh, that's supposed to be gone. Throw that away. Connect the power cord. Oh, so it's time to plug it up. Alright, hold on. Alright, so I'm just getting the power cord to plug it in. And it goes. The back cord is the back. Right there. Is it in there? Yeah, I just feel like it's in there. Okay, it went in better that way, so it goes. Okay. And plug it up. Plug in the power cord. Done. Let's see if this is going to focus. There you go. Plug in the power cord. Press on stop. Is this? Where's the alarm? What alarm? Oh, my alarm didn't flash. That's this. That's the alarm. That didn't flash 9 or 4 times, so I guess I can move on with my life. Open the cover. Yes, I'm doing this on the bed because that's where that's where it's gonna go right there. So yes, I'm doing this on the bed. Okay. Take out the color cartridge from the package. Remove the protective tape. Insert the color fine. It's called color and fine. Let me show y'all what it said, how it looks. But I'm just, yeah. Insert the color fine cartridge into the fine cartridge holder on the left at a slight upward angle. Push the fine cartridge in and firmly until it snaps into place. Make sure that the fine cartridge is installed horizontally. Do not bump it against the surrounding parts. Okay. Repeat steps 2 to 4 and install the black fine cartridge as well on the right. Close the cover. If the alarm lamp flashes 4 times at a time, go back to step 3 of chapter 3. Install inks and check whether the fine cartridges for color and black are installed correctly. And then it's going to show how to load the paper. So let's get the ink in. Is my bed really that unlevel? It just looks like it's leaning like this. So anyway, here's the ink. So this is the color. Open it this way. Come on. And it goes in. Oh, pull this off. There it is. Oh, sorry. And there it is. This goes on the left at a slight upward angle. Let's see. That's not right. Because I can see how it's supposed to fit. And I can tell I'm not doing what I'm supposed to be doing. Okay. I was trying to put it in too high up. Well, I'll know if I have it in wrong because it won't come on. Press the information button. Oh. That's not correct. Why is it so hard to get in? Okay. Oh. Okay. Slide the paper guide to the left. What? Oh. Close the cover. Load paper. Open the paper support. Just that. Already got that open. This. And slide the paper guide to the left. Oh, this. I wish they would have told me it was going to be loud. I mean, just prepare my nerves a little bit. Load plain LTR or A4 size paper against the right edge with the print side facing up. Oh, okay. Slide the paper guide to align it with the side of the paper stack. Pull out the paper output tray and output tray extension. I have label paper, and so that's what I'm just going to have to use. Preparing for a connection. Okay. From here on, the procedure differs depending on the device used to connect the printer. First, after checking that the wireless lamp is flashing 2 times at a time, proceed to... Oh, the wireless is flashing right now. Oh, it's flashing 2 times at a time. Proceed to the following operations. In the following description, smartphones and tablet devices are collectively described as smartphone. So I need to go and get this Canon print in Google Play, and then I'm going to put my label paper in here. I'll either do the label paper or I'll try to print a picture, and I will show y'all how it happened or came out. Well, there she is. I'm sorry, but that's a pretty picture. I mean, listen to me. Oh, love. I'm sorry, but I just think this is such a pretty... Listen, I don't even feel bad. Y'all can call me whatever y'all want. I love that picture. It's pretty. And yes, it is me. I love it.